Hi guys, welcome back to the Babe Homestead. Just a quick update on the house. I hired someone to lay the remaining of the blocks. So this is what it's looking like. I did the interior wall as well. Those need to come down. So the ceilings are going to be pretty high, which is great because it makes the space feels much more bigger. So now I started the plastering. However, my significant other said I should leave it alone and wait for hired help. So we're waiting on that to move forward to the next step, which is, yeah. So that's just a quick update on the house. I'll be keeping you guys posted as we have more progress. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.